Welcome to the channel. Welcome back to the channel. You found the Olsons. Gone again. We're back in the shop doing maintenance on the truck. Time to change the oil.
Alright, so we're getting ready to change the oil in the truck, and I have nothing that will fit underneath the truck, and I have nothing that'll hold 15 gallons of oil. Or at least 10 plus gallons of oil. So we went out to Vevor, we bought their low profile oil drain cart, holds 15 gallons. This one has the manual pump. We did not get this as a sponsor or anything like that, but I've seen them used in other places and they appear to be pretty good, so let's put this thing together. You see your pump. Bolts and clamps and fittings and a handle. here. Move the cart out of the way. That goes on here. Oops. All right, so there's the cart. And then this sits on like that. The higher priced ones, I believe that sits down in a groove, so it's, you know, you can set your oil filter in there or whatever. But I think that'll be fine for now. And yeah, that's it. All right, so now we've got the oil cart, drain cart underneath the truck. Jazz is going to see how she wants that so she can get that oil filter down and into the cart without being all over the floor.
You think that's under it?
Huh?
You think that's under it?
I would say it is. And then you can see on the oil pan, which is right by your hand there, when you go up and touch the pan, the nut, on the truck. Come this way along the edge, go to the front there. That's the nut that'll have to come off to drain the oil out. Okay? So, you ready to do the oil filter? I don't even know where. I don't know if I can make that camera sit someplace. I don't know. Maybe on here? Oh, we'll try that. What's the worst that could happen? I can't see anything. So I gotta go this way, right?
So,
That on?
you're on, but not.
Oh, oh, there you go.
Yeah.
Oops. Oh. The struggles are short arms. Oh, there you go.
I don't know.
See, you can get your hands on. Can you get your hand on it?
It's not gonna pop off, is it?
No, it turns off just like it did before. It's just heavy. You probably want two hands on it if you can. Huh?
I know.
You can dump it onto the cart. Hoofda. That's nasty. Well, we got half of it, or well, we got most of it in the cart.
What do you think about what's on me?
That's a extend your rod there. Well, you can come out because that's got a drain. Did we make that big a mess last time? I guess it went all over the floor. This one's not at least all over the floor. But it is all over, we call her gal behind the scenes. Yeah, she popped off in a hurry, didn't it? Yeah. Oofed up. All right, we'll let that drain. We'll come.
Okay, so let's stop the video right here. we are really struggling to get the side oil pan plug out. So we move on to the bottom pan, oil pan plug, and that's probably where we should have been in the first place, but we weren't. The bottom one was just as tight as the side one. We ended up using an impact driver to get it off our big Milwaukee, and we got it off, drained the oil out, and then we got the filter filled back up and put on, and we were so frustrated that none of it got filmed, but we got that all taken care of. Then we moved on to the coolant filter, and that coolant filter fought us so hard that we ended up not only breaking a hole in it to get it off, and then we had to kind of ratchet it with a long pry bar against the truck as well. So we'll pick it back up here where we're working on the coolant filter. So enjoy.
All right, so we got the oil filter replaced, filled up, put back on, everything's good there. Oil's drained out of the truck, it's sitting there draining. Now we're working on the coolant filter. And that thing is back in there and extremely difficult to get to. Are you pulling toward you?
Yes.
I think I thought it looks like you're pushing. All right, I noticed while editing this video that I didn't do an outro. I didn't even really finish up the whole process. So we really struggled on getting that coolant filter off. It's in a place that you can't reach. I don't have the filter wrenches that go on the bottom of the filter to grab hold of it. So we did get that off. We put the new put antifreeze in it, put it back on. Everything's great. The service is done. So we are all ready to hit the road. If you notice, there's no car on the truck anymore. I don't know if there was a car on the truck at all in any of those shots, but we will be getting to the next process on this truck will be to get that car on here. And we have already been working on it. And yeah, so I appreciate you making it to the end of the video. This one was chopped up a little bit. Thanks for sticking with me, sticking with us. If you haven't already, please subscribe, hit that like button. When you subscribe, hit the bell. That'll tell you when we release new videos. And thanks for watching.